Hello everyone, and welcome to this video to help you navigate our Resources tab. While on the main page, you will see the Resources tab over here. So we're going to click there and we're going to land on that page, and we're going to see what resources are available for us while on the course. The first one is here. You have a playlist on classroom management tips on my YouTube channel, so that's very useful, and I strongly suggest that you watch it. You also have my 10 useful resources for classroom management. All you need to do is click on the little arrow for the file to open up. You can see it is a PDF there. You can download it, and you can also open it on a different page. And you can also go for full screen, as in this case. Okay? We also have our favorites activity, and in this activity the idea is that we use this section to tap onto the hive mind and our expertise. If you click on our favorite, then you will be able to add one of each of the different categories. So one online tool that works very well for you and you want to share it, one class management activity that works for you, one exit ticket that you usually use or think is very useful or effective, and one good behavior tip. In order to do this is very simple. These are sticky notes. So you need to click on the plus, and that will basically take you to this page, and we can add the message. So one tool for me would be Perplexity as an example. I use it all the time as it is more reliable and accurate. And I'm just going to say save, and you will see that my sticky is now here, and because it is longer, then I can see that it has a scroll bar. I can either like it. If you think from any of the other participants you like what they do, you can give them a heart, and I can also edit it because I created this one, and I can delete it. I'm going to delete it because this is just for demonstration purposes. So I hope that this was useful and that you can explore all the resources that we have on the course. Remember, if we go back to the main page, all I need to do is look at resources. The tab is here, and that will take me to that page where I can see basically everything there. Okay, thank you.